Introduce highlight features or overview summary for 2023 ROG Strix GA35CA Gaming Desktop PC. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: more cores, more power, swift through any task with the water-cooled, factory overclocked Intel Core i9-13900KF, with 36 MHz cache and up to 5.8 GHz with the Intel Z790 chipset. Overclock and overpower. Fast-paced gameplay is smooth as silk with a GeForce RTX 3090 graphics card, 24GB DDR6X with 3x DP and 2x HDMI ports, giving you a competitive edge in any arena. Jump into the game. This gaming PC allows you to store all your game library and load large files swiftly in its 1TB PCIe 4.0 and 2TB of HDD SATA at 7200 RPM. 2 hot swap bays. Participating in esports competitions and LANs is easier with 2 SSD hot swap bays that make switching player profiles easy. Your device, your way. Game your way with customizable Asus Aura Sync RGB chassis lighting and EMI reducing transparent side panel. Dominate game worlds and beyond with the powerful ROG Strix GA35CA gaming desktop. Action-packed gameplay runs fast and fluid on Windows 11 with an overclocked 13th generation 24-core Intel Core CPU and GeForce RTX graphics card, giving you a competitive edge in any arena while speeding up demanding workloads like content creation and heavy multitasking. Tournament-ready performance is bolstered by an easy carry design with an integrated handle, while the Keystone technology allows for easy profile switching at competitions and LANs. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.